last class,
we discussed more on Windows 7. Today we are going to discuss our next chapter 3, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 on page number 16. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? Did anybody know how to do the presentations? Yes, we studied last year. Microsoft PowerPoint is a component of Microsoft Office. It enables us to make effective and attractive presentations by adding text, diagrams, scanned images, clip art, sounds, colors, designs, and animated effects, etc. Presentation is made up of collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner. A slide is like a page in a presentation that displays a brief information. These slides are grouped together in a sequence to form a slideshow. Slideshow is a presentation of a series of slides on a projection screen, that is a projector or electronic display device. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a powerful communication tool used to present our views and ideas effectively through visual aids. It is used for business world and also in schools to teach different topics, etc. This helps in providing better understanding of the subject. We can easily import data from Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc. PowerPoint 2010, we can also insert videos from websites through the internet using the copy-paste option. We can generate handout material and speakers notes after creating a presentation. PowerPoint 2010 gives us the ability to upload our presentations using free PowerPoint broadcast service. So that is our Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. How will you start PowerPoint 2010? Starting Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on all, select all programs. Click on the start button, select all programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint. You can see the PowerPoint window, a blank presentation named presentation 1 with a title bar, appears. So that is a Microsoft PowerPoint window. What all things we got are the components there. We can see tabs, the file tab, slide, title bar, ribbon, groups, dialog box launcher, working area, etc. Now how will you create a new presentation? Click on the file tab and select the new option from the drop down menu. Choose the blank presentation under the available templates and themes. Click on create a button. The slide displays a dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. Click on the layout button in the slides group on the home tab and select the desired layout. A blank presentation uses default settings for text and color. We can add text in the placeholders of the slide. So that is next. There is also built-in templates. What is Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 does not contain the auto content wizard for creating a presentation. We can create our presentation quickly and easily by using built-in templates. PowerPoint templates include sample slideshow that contain various themes and layouts, including most of those existed in the auto content wizard. Templates gives us an initial foundation to build a presentation. Creating a presentation using built-in templates. After opening the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, click on File tab, New option. Under Available Templates and Themes section, select Sample Templates. Select Introducing PowerPoint 2010 from the displayed list. Click on the Create button. The selected template will open as a new presentation. This new presentation contains 20 slides illustrating different slide layouts and backgrounds, themes, etc. Now add text in the placeholders of each slide and view in a slideshow. Modifying built-in templates. We can also modify the changes. We can apply themes. Themes are the sets of pre-designed formats that include text, layouts, background and color schemes, etc. It can be applied to any presentation, give it a professional look. For applying themes, click on Design tab. Under the Themes group, scroll the mouse over the available thumbnail of themes. To view more themes, click on More drop-down menu at the bottom right of the Themes group. This will open the themes gallery. Select the desired theme type. We will get the selected theme on the slide. We can also select the theme by type, by File tab, New Themes option in the Available Templates and Themes section. We can also change color scheme. Every color presentation comes with a color schemes. We can change the color scheme of the template presentation or a single slide. The colors of specific elements on a slide such as title and background can also be changed. Open any slide of presentation, click on Design tab. You will find a gallery of different themes in the Themes group. Right click on the selected theme. A shortcut menu appears. Select the Set as Default Theme option. The theme will be applied to all the slides. Next, click on Colors button and select desired color. To apply the color scheme to all the slides, right click on the color scheme and select Apply to all slides option. In case you want to apply the color scheme only to the selected slide, select the Apply to Selected Slides. So, next one is viewing a presentation. How can we view? We can view our presentation in different formats, such as there are different views available: a normal view, slide sorter view, slideshow view. For normal view means for the first the main editing view, which is used to write and design the presentation. In normal view, we can add text, graphics, sound, animation and other effects to our slides, as well as have a larger view of an individual slide. Notes pane at the bottom, an outline of the slide text, outline tab and slides displayed as thumbnails, slides tab all at the same time. To open this view, select the View tab and click on the Normal button, or click on the Normal View icon on the status bar. Next one is Slide Sorter View. It displays miniature view of all the slides in the presentation. In slide sorter view, we can change the order of the slides, insert or delete the slides, add transitions and set the timings for the slideshow. Select the View tab and click on the Slide Sorter button. We will see all the slides of our presentation and a thick border around the selected slide. Next, Notes page view is available on the View tab. If we have add notes while working in normal view, we can see them in Notes page view. It displays an image of the selected slide along with the notes related to the slide. These notes are helpful to the presenter while showing the presentation. Next view is a reading view. Using this view, you can view the presentation in a slideshow that fits within a window. You can use this view when you run the presentation on your computer, not showing it to the audience. Next one, slideshow view. This view is used when you deliver our presentation to the audience. It displays slides in a sequence in full screen mode. Click on slideshow button on the status bar or select the slideshow tab and click on the from beginning or from current slide button or press F5 key to view the slide show. So these are the points related to our Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. There are different types of views are normal, slideshow view, slide sorter view, reading view, then notes page view. So these are different types of views available in Microsoft PowerPoint. Write the answer the following in your notebook. Also do the lag by activity. Follow the instructions to create the given slide. Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint. We can do a neat presentation. It is lab activity. Thank you.